Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to convert USDC to USDT on Bybit. So in that case, go ahead and log in into your Bybit account. When you're logged into your Bybit account, that's gonna take you to the home page. So from the home page, what you have to do is you need to go through the assets section, and then you need to go ahead and convert the assets. So first thing, let me go ahead and log in into my account. So when you go to the assets section, then you could press the convert button. You need to convert USDC, so type in USDC and you need to convert to USDT, right? So enter the exact amount of asset that you wish to convert, and right at the bottom you'll be able to find the converted amount, and you'll have successfully converted USDC to USDT on Bybit. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.